Hello.
Hello.
So this week we have bought a box of
Very random.
miniature things. So we thought we would show you us unboxing them and see if there's any treasures hidden among them. So let's see what we got and we hope you enjoy. It's a tiny glass vase, but it's broken. I wonder if it's in there or if it was always broken.
I can't remember. Maybe we could fix it.
So there's a...
Oh,
not broken, it's like a
stirrer.
Tiny glass stirrer.
Wow.
There's a small plate with a mug that says Tracy.
Okay. That's random.
I think this is a very random
Yes,
box.
that's fairly
There's
random.
a small broken
Penguin.
glass penguin. He's missing a flipper.
Good ornament in that nursery
Good
though.
ornament, yeah.
Facing away with his missing flipper.
A lid.
Does that go to anything? Does that go to the
Does
Tracy cup?
It does fit. I'm not sure if it does. I think this is one of those glass mice, but it's missing its ears and its nose and its
a
tail.
so
So it's just a little glass blob with eyes.
What would you do with that?
And then there's these birds. What are they made out of?
Ooh. Soaps?
It looks like soapstone.
Yeah, it does look like soapstone. They'd be quite nice, like in the 20s doll's house, though, on the banister.
Yeah.
Not on the banister, on the balcony.
Yeah, or-
they could just sit, couldn't they,
Yeah.
on they're sort of the same colour. I think they'd look really nice.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be really cool. Weird things.
And then the last thing in this bit. Oh,
That's
how
hilarious.
adorable. Tiny little figurine. Which is always great.
Correct, yeah.
Having little things, knickknacks about just makes a Doll's House feel much more like a
Yeah.
house.
Next.
So we've got the Tatler. Double tote in every telegraph office. Sort of fits in. When is
With
this?
It looks like the Punch one, but we know
Yeah.
the Punch one isn't old now.
Where? It's very handy.
Okay, what's in here? This is really weird.
First of all, there is a tiny little ceramic bird in an egg, coming out of an egg.
I don't know how he would use that.
No, it's quite
Maybe a bit big.
It's lovely though. Again, it's the sort of thing we'd be really excited about if we found.
Yeah. There's some very strange things.
Yeah, this is a little plastic. I don't know. I'm not sure we've got a use for that.
Oh no.
Yeah, like there's a small plastic milk churn.
We can paint it to look old though.
Oh, it's metal.
Ooh.
Oh, I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's not. It's a little metal horse.
That's perfect for the nursery.
That is.
That's nice.
Mhm.
That's really pretty. Does it
Good
stand
job.
up or not?
Can I get some things out?
No, it doesn't stand up. I don't know what to do with those.
They look like boxing babies, but they're not. They're grown. I think they're supposed to be.
I mean, they could go in the nursery.
No.
No?
No, that's too disturbing.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's all sorts of things. Oh. Oh, he's nice though. He's beautiful.
Is he made? What's he made out of? Is he made out of wood?
I think he's made of wood, isn't he?
Yeah, he's wooden.
I think he's too small to be a pet
Nursery again, isn't it? Or figurine.
or a puppy.
Or he doesn't look like a puppy.
He's small. No, it's a thing then.
Toy or an ornament.
Ornament, toy, something.
Oh, he's so precious. I think this is very big too. This is Sluice Holland. The back little bit moves.
Oh, it does actually move.
But it's quite large.
It is quite large. But do we care about scale? I mean, we can try putting these things in and see what happens. I mean, we could always age that up a bit.
We've got some bells.
Bells. As you do.
Might come in good for a Christmas. Oh no. Did something just fall out of that?
I didn't see.
There's... Oh look!
Oh, there's another one.
There's another one.
Oh, they can sort of think above each other on a fireplace, can't they? Bookend each other.
Yes. Wow. I think I see something really exciting in here, so I'm going to leave it. We've got... Oh, is it that a frame?
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a frame.
I think it is a frame. It's a bit messed up, but...
Ooh. That could be good.
That is a frame, isn't it? I mean, we can glue it back together, I think.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything missing. It's just come apart a bit.
Yeah. And a small... A dense souvenir.
Cup's cute.
Cup is cute. It would go well in my doll's house with all the wooden things. And along the same line, there is a
Clog.
tiny wooden clog. I think this is the most random. Oh, there's just some exciting things though.
It's a very large iron.
A giant iron. Well, yeah, I don't think we have a use in a doll's house for that.
No.
Oh, the other clog. It is a
Pair of clogs. Put them on the end of a bed.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Oh. Wow.
That is so delicate.
Crazy.
It's a tiny little basket. Wow. That's really good. What is it?
I think it's a doll, isn't it? Well, it could be a doll in a nursery. Someone's nursery.
Nurse. It's a nurse doll, isn't it?
Oh, is it? Oh.
Because it's got the apron and the blue dress and the cross. It's a farm.
I had that in my farm set when I was little, so that's 70s. I think that's Britain's, but modern Britain's. Does it say Britain's?
It says Britain's, yeah. It's a farmer.
That brings back memories.
Watneys.
Beer.
Little beer barrel. Watneys.
It's a tiny little plastic tub.
Is it a bathtub?
I think so.
That's nice. Old plastic. I mean, it's, like a little flocked bear.
Are they made of rubber?
Yeah.
So they are a bit old.
Yeah, I think I've seen these. There's some specific thing. I think I saw these, but yeah.
I mean, they'd be good for your slightly more
Mm-hmm.
modern doll's house, wouldn't they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then there's like...
I think that's quite cute.
It is cute. It might work in my nursery.
It might, mightn't it?
It's just quite big.
Yeah, but we've talked about scale, haven't we? Oh,
Yeah,
another farmer.
Another farmer. Okay.
I love him.
Yeah, I know.
He is beautiful. It's a shame he's got a missing leg.
Tiny wooden cow. Wow.
I would
He's
quite like
amazing.
him for my doll's house.
You can have him for your doll's house.
My doll's house is the oldest doll's house. We know now because someone actually confirmed that the wallpaper in it is actually William Morris. So, yeah. So it's definitely 1900s or before.
I thought these were all one thing, but they're not. So there's a small weight, a screw eye, and a ring.
Is it a magnet?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Magnet, not weight. I thought this was part of it. Oh no, because this is also a magnet.
It must be part of it then.
This tiny little spider.
Oh, he's a tiny magnet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. What?
I don't know what.
We could stick him on
him
a
in
workstation, can't we?
Yeah.
We've got...
Or we could put him in the attic over.
Oh yeah,
house.
we're talking about having an attic. We could paint him black.
This is. I don't know. A small red
Blob.
Up there. There is a bit of a gate, I imagine, or a fence. A drawer.
Just one drawer.
Just one drawer. Oh, that's cute.
A little cat.
It's a little cat.
It's got diamond eyes. Or was that just my
No, it's
eyes?
just your eyes. It's got a little bow on though. That's cute. Make a good ornament. Oh! Okay, so it's a tiny tankard. But it says Whitbread tankard.
Yeah, I think there were souvenirs.
It's a
I think I've
little
seen a few of
dog.
those.
That is so cute. Oh, that might go in the 1920s.
Yeah, I
one.
think that won't work in the 1920s.
And then the bit I saved for last because it's very exciting. Do you want to do it? Carefully.
My goodness. My goodness. Look at that. I can't even begin to...
Do you want me to hold it? It's so detailed. The little people. Wow, I mean, what is that?
With a gondola?
Yeah, why does that exist in that
It's probably
size?
a souvenir, isn't it?
It's definitely old though, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so detailed. It's so incredible. Tiny little gondola with tiny... What are people? Punters?
Gondoliers.
Gondoliers. Wow. Okay, so that's it. And another seaweed. That's a decoration for a living room, I suppose. I think the gondola's my favourite. Shows the cow.
Yeah, I do like the cow.
So that was the box, and I think there were some treasures.
There definitely were some treasures, yeah.
The gondola
It's amazing.
amazing. The wooden cow.
Yeah. And the tiny little wooden dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the metal horse is cool too.
Yeah, lots of ornaments which are perfect.
Yes.
So we hope you enjoyed. We will be doing a craft next week.
Don't know what.
No.
Back to the study.
Back to the study, yes, maybe a bookshelf.
Maybe.
So you just have to say a massive thank you to everyone that likes, comments and subscribes. You are what keeps this channel going. So we hope you have a wonderful rest of the week and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.